Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making Rava laddu with coconut, the perfect sweet for the upcoming festival Ugadi. Make sure to enjoy that too. So you're going to add 1 cup of fine Sooji Rava, our first main ingredient, and half a cup of shredded coconut, our second main ingredient. I love basically anything with coconut actually. Just tastes so good. Make sure to give that a good mix. So then you're gonna let it rest for about 2 hours. The food, not you. You still got cooking to do. So you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of ghee into a pan, and you're gonna add some cashew in there and mix it very well. Nicely, just lightly roast it, but don't burn it, please. You're gonna add your roasted coconut rava mix into your pan after you take out the cashews, and then you're going to lightly roast it on low medium heat and try not to burn yourselves. And then you're just gonna mix it around for about 15 minutes until you see this nice light brownish goldeny color. Looks kind of like light orange to me. Then you're gonna add 3 by 4th cup of sugar, and you're gonna add half of 3 by 4th cup water, and you're going to turn it into sugar syrup. Now, be patient as this will take a while to dissolve, but just keep mixing it until it's a little thick. Not too thick, just a little bit thick. Then you're going to switch off that flame and you're going to add in your rava coconut mixture, and you're going to mix it together. And at first it's going to be like soggy, it's going to be weird, but eventually it's going to look like this. Make sure to add your roasted cashew and some cardamom powder in there. And you're going to turn it into a laddu when it's warm. And remember, you can add other dry fruits and nuts into this if you want. And done. Super delicious, the perfect sweet for the upcoming festival, and everyone's favorite. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy this perfect sweet that I've said too many times. Happy Ugadi!